Boy, after Saturday's race and having a receiver signal drop because of the vibration of the engine, the servo tape, even double servo tape, wasn't enough. So I ended up coming up with this here. Let me get my finger in there. It's a cushion mount carbon fiber plate on kind of like rubber shock absorbers, I guess. And it can move side to side, up and down. Basically is these little compression rubber boots that go through the frame and then go through the carbon fiber plate that's right here. From the underside, there's a little rubber boots. They go through a smaller diameter hole and pop through. So hopefully now the vibration issue is done. Protected the receiver. Good to go for next race.